This is your girl Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic. In today's video, I am going to show you a few ways to display your decorative towels in your bathroom to make sure the bathroom is looking fabulous at all time and even to impress your guests. I would love it if you stick around to see them. But of course, before we get started, I'm going to take a minute to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. My name is Dalou. I upload Glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. And to you, my fellow My Returning Glam squad, you know I love you. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. Alright you guys, let's get started. Okay you guys, when folding towels, it's really important to use a hard surface or you can use the bed. For the first design, I'm gonna start with this beautiful bath towel that I got from Burlington. I'm gonna place it upside down with the tag facing up. As you can see, the towel has a beautiful design that we're going to need to display nicely. I'm gonna fold it in 3. And making sure everything is smoothed out. Then I'm gonna fold it in half. There it is. It looks super pretty and neat. Next, I'm gonna be folding the hand towel once again with the tag facing up. For this one, I'm gonna do a 1/3 fold. I'm gonna flip it upside down. I'm gonna fold it in 3. Then I'm gonna tuck in the top part inside the bottom part to secure the packet. Next, I'm going to be folding a face towel. For that, I'm going to be using a plain white towel. I'm making some pleats like an accordion. I try to hold it as tight as possible.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging.
Now let's see the first look on the towel bar. Guys, don't forget to check me out today in my husband's channel at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we're going to be having another relationship discussion. Link for his channel will be in the description box and in the comment section. It is going to be a live session. I look forward to seeing you all there. Big thank you to all of you who have been stopping by.
You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me, 'cause you're all to that. Got me locked in now. Go ahead and take a shot. Do you really want me? Maybe you're just playing. The way you're making it move, yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you.
Just like we did on the first one, for the second look, we're gonna be folding this one in 3 as well. For this one, instead of doing a half fold, I'm gonna be doing a 1/3 fold. I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing on the hand towel. Let's go back upstairs to see the finished look. In this particular display, I am not going to show the design on the towel, I'm gonna be showing the white portion only. The technique remains the same even when I'm using a plain towel. This time I'm gonna make it go under the bar instead of above it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it.
For the hand towel, instead of going at the bottom, we're gonna go on top.
Wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. 'Cause you're all the die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. 'Cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one to place for dreams, but you got me. 'Cause you're all the die. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me.
As you can see, it is super neat at the bottom, looking really cute, and it looks really nice. It is very elegant. But as you know, we are the Glam squad, so we're just gonna glam up the look a little bit. But if you want, you can just leave it like that. I'm gonna be using this tie bag that I got from Amazon. I give it one little tie because it would have been too loose for it.
Siento en control. Era el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
For the third look, I'm also going to be using another towel that I got from Burlington. And just like the other ones, I'm going to be folding it in 3. But I'm going to make sure it's a little bit larger than the other ones. I'm going to fold it in half. Then I'm gonna take this other towel. It goes really well with the black one. I'm also gonna fold it in 3, but this time I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller than the black one. And then I'm just gonna roll it up very tightly.
Ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas.
Just like that. I'm going to be using some elastic bands to secure the towel.
Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele.
Then I'm going to be placing the other towel inside of it. If I wanted to, I could have placed more than one, but I'm just going to place one for now. It is such a pretty look. I love it. I love the black and the gold together. On the next one, we're going to be using this towel. As you can see, it has some beautiful design on it. I think I got it from Home Goods. I bought it a little while ago. I placed it upside down. And I'm going to fold it on the side of the design, making a triangle to ensure that the design will be displayed. If it was a plain towel, it wouldn't matter which side being folded first. Then I'm gonna be folding the other side in half that was not folded. Next, I'm gonna flip it upside down. I'm gonna start rolling it up very tightly. I'm just gonna tuck in the end, just like that. This is what it looks like. It looks super pretty. I love it. And the design on the towel is displayed really nicely. Okay, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Please leave a comment below. Let me know which folding or display technique was your favorite. And please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. I thank you for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. I love you as always. Bye-bye.